In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch accounts on Pinterest. By the end, you'll be able to move between your Pinterest accounts smoothly on the web without losing your place or your flow. To start, open your browser and head to Pinterest.com. Give the page a moment to load fully so everything in the navigation bar appears as expected. You'll want to be on the main Pinterest site in a logged-in state so the account switcher can show you the options available on this browser. If you've previously used more than one Pinterest account here, they'll be ready for quick switching. Once the site is open, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon, usually a small circular image or a placeholder if you haven't set a photo. That icon is your gateway to account management. Click it to open the account menu. This menu is designed to be straightforward so you can get in and out quickly without digging through settings. In that menu, you'll see the accounts available to switch to. Select the other account you want to use. The moment you click, Pinterest will shift you over to that account's view. You'll notice the profile photo and name update, and your home feed, boards, and notifications will reflect that account's activity. It's a simple, instant handoff, so you can dive right back into saving pins or managing boards under the correct profile. A few tips to keep things clear. Make sure you've actually used more than one account on this browser, otherwise there won't be another option to select. If the menu doesn't show what you expect, try a quick page refresh, and then click the profile icon again. Also, keep in mind that switching accounts doesn't merge anything. Each account keeps its own pins, boards, followers, and settings. You're simply telling Pinterest which profile you want to use right now. If you work with separate personal and business profiles, this switcher helps you keep tasks organized. You can move from planning a home project to scheduling content for a brand in just a click. And when you're done, repeat the same process to return to your original account. Open Pinterest.com, click the profile icon at the top right, and select the account you want. That's all there is to it. Navigate to Pinterest.com, click the profile icon at the top right, and choose the other account to switch. It's quick, reliable, and keeps your Pinterest workflow tidy. Thanks for watching, and feel free to